Good morning, my dear students. Today in this session we will start with a grammar. Lesson number 11. Name of the lesson is active and passive voice. Sentences can be active or passive. Therefore, tenses also have active form or passive forms. In active form, the person or a thing doing the action is the subject of the sentence and the person or a thing receiving the action is the object. In the passive form, the person or a thing receiving the action is the subject of the sentence and the person or a thing doing the action is placed at the end of the sentence. We will see over here the examples are given. Active voice you have to change into passive voice. The gardener waters the plants every day. The plants are watered by the gardener every day. The gardener is the action, doing action, he is the subject and the object is plants. Over here the plants is the receiver, receiving the action is the subject of the sentence comes ahead and the gardener goes at the back end of the sentence. The gardener is watering the plants. The plants are being watered by the gardener. The gardener watered the plants were watered by the gardener. The gardener was watering the plants continuous. The plants were being watered by the gardener. The gardener has watered the plants have been watered by the gardener. Plants plural, so have, and gardener has watered, has is singular. Plants have been watered by the gardener. The gardener will water the plants will be watered by the gardener. Future tense. You can see over here the will, can, would, must, may, could, shall, should. Modal verbs are used and be is used after the modal verbs. Now the tenses, passive forms change according to the tenses. Now how many types of tenses? Simple present, present continuous, simple past, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect and simple future. Now these are the rules when you change the passive form. When it is simple present, the sentence is in simple present. Am is are plus past participle form of the verb. When the sentence is in present continuous tense, is or are, singular plural, if singular is there is, plural is there are, plus being. Already you have seen in this sentence, we have used over here, the gardener is watering the plant, it is present, plants are being watered by the gardener. Being is used with are, you can see over here the rule, are being plus past participle. Simple past tense, was or were, past participle form of the verb. Past continuous, was or were plus being plus past participle form of the verb. In present perfect tense, has been or have been, singular or plural, plus past participle form of the verb. Past perfect, had been plus past participle form of the verb. Simple future, will be plus past participle form of the verb. The passive voice is used when the doer of the action is unknown. For example, my purse was stolen. By whom? The doer of the action is unknown. By someone, don't know. When the doer of the action is understood or clear or obvious, then the example, the thief was arrested. It is obviously the thief was arrested by whom? By the police. You know the doer. When he want to focus on the receiver rather than the doer or agent. For example, Raju was declared the winner. Means here the Raju is the focus over here. Change the active voice sentence to passive. Let's see one example. They awarded the soldier a medal for bravery. Here they awarded the soldier a medal for bravery. The soldier was awarded a medal for bravery. changing into passive voice. We request you to fasten your seat belts. You are requested to fasten your seat belts. An aunt brought him up after his parents died. He was brought up by his aunt after his parents died. Aunt was in front, was a subject, and now it has been shifted at the end of the sentence. The organizers have told him to make a speech. He has been told by the organizers to make a speech. Change the passive sentence to active. Now passive are given and you have to change into active. The Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. The pets are being fed by Martha. Martha is feeding the pets. Are is. Martha is singular, pets plural. So here it was are, now it is. The man was attacked by dacoits on the highway. The dacoits attacked the man on the highway. Passive voice for commands and request. For changing commands and requests to passive voice, auxiliary verb be is used. Let is added at the beginning. The main verb is changed to the past participle form. For example, open the door, let the door be opened. Be is used. In front, let is used. Speak the truth, let the truth be spoken. Sentences with intransitive verbs cannot be changed into passive voice because there is no object in such sentence. For example, I sleep, he died, there is no object. So this type of sentences you cannot change into passive voice. Sentences with transitive verbs can be changed to passive voice. For example, he sent a letter. Over here the letter is the object. You can change this sentence into passive. See, a letter was sent by him. We make sugar from sugar cane. Sugar is object over here. You can change this sentence into passive voice. Sugar is made by us from sugar cane.